Make a great choice today with the 2013 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, Bose sound system, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, alloy wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.